Goeiemiddag julle, Marissa Smith hierso van Tussen die Lyne. Ek is vandag bevoorreg om hierso met 2 MP Warriors te sit. Hoe amazing is dit nie? Hulle hardloop Saterdag uit voordat die Springbokke teen Skotland gaan speel. Ons weet natuurlik verlede Saterdag was hulle op Ellis Park. En ja, hoe bevoorreg is ek om hierso saam met hulle te sit. Baie welkom julle ouens.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. Now, quickly tell us, what do you think about Saturday? What's your prediction?
I would start. I would say like 42, 20.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm think so.
Obviously,
You're giving the
Springboks-
Scottish.
No, like it's Springbok.
Yeah.
We're leading 42.
All right.
Okay.
You know, like I'll never give like the Scottish like this.
Anything.
Yeah, anything.
We only take their whiskey.
Of course.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Great whiskey, fantastic whiskey. But what I will say is, I feel like we are on such a good high at the moment. We've got a strong team, and Rassie is always unpredictable. But I've got a feeling that it's gonna be a landslide. I feel like South Africa is definitely gonna maybe do a 40-45 score, a lead to maybe a 10 to 15 mark. Again, that's what I think.
Ja, julle ouens, dis nou wat julle hoor van die MP's van my kant af. Ek glo ons gaan die skotte pak gee. Dis nie vir nie dat daar 9 blou bulle in die Springbok span Saterdag is nie, so op die bokke.
Ja!